Everybody wants to be successful in his life, career in a shortest possible time. But is it possible? Hi, my name is Naresh Kumar. I'm a teacher, mentor, and a coach. I will tell you the secret which can shorten the path of success. Now, what is that? Definitely. So, life is not so easy to achieve success. If it would have been like that, then many would have been successful, but there is only 1% of the people who are successful. Now, definitely everybody wants to come into that 1%, the successful people. Now, what is that secret that they have got to that 1% and the rest are within the 99%? I will tell you that. Now, the secret is that all the successful people, they have their mentor. They have their mentor, coach, or a teacher. Not teacher, but yeah, maybe teacher, they have become a mentor. So it can happen. So they all had the mentor who guided them, who showed them the way, who showed them the path to their path of success. You name any successful people, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, or anybody, they all have the mentor. So this we can also replicate. We can also have a mentor, a teacher who can guide us to the path of success, and they will make the path short. And that is the only possible way which you can do. Otherwise, there is no other way. If you go alone, you cannot do anything. Obviously, it will take a very long time, and it will be, maybe you get frustrated and you will be exhausted. So why to take risks? Better have a mentor which will help you reduce the path, to shorten the path. And all you need to do is that just follow the mentor, follow all the instruction, and that is the only way you can respect your mentor, who can gift you this wonderful way, who can help you progress faster than you could have done alone. So yeah, so you should have a mentor, a coach, or whoever. I'm not saying that I should be your, definitely if you'd like to be, you can come. But yeah, you should have somebody who can guide you the path, who know the path, how it is, and they can take you through it. So all the best. Thank you.